So, months ago, I received this amazing invitation to attend the Wave Ambassador Party Bash. This was earlier this year, but I know you all have probably noticed that I have not been as active online. And to be honest, because I got to be honest with y'all, because y'all are my best community, I have been in the emergency room twice over the last, let's just say, 2 weeks. And while I have a indication on what may be happening, I'm just waiting to go to my primary care physician for a follow up to just confirm. And so I'm sharing this with y'all because I really wanted to get so many photos, but Chris really pushed me to go on this trip, and I'm so glad he did. While I was not 100% just looking at the beauty of the flowers and all of that stuff, it made it all worth it. So y'all make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna keep you posted on everything that's going on, but I want to share with you some of the highlights. I actually got a lot of photos that were horizontal. And so at the last minute, I was like, I got to go back out there because I got to show y'all all of the beauty. And one of the things that I may do, y'all, is go back to Chicago and just tour the gardens again. But this was such an amazing trip, such an amazing experience. I am going to just play some soft music because I want to show y'all all of the things that I was able to experience on this trip, and it was just so amazing. So be sure that you're subscribed to us because my energy level is coming back slowly but surely. But I have to push myself a little bit because I'm like, fall is about to start and I don't want to be behind. That's just the type of person I am. So, y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy.